Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Puerto Princesa. Here at the Airbnb we're at the moment. Just got our bags packed up. We're headed to the underground river today, which is about 2 hours northwest of here. We booked a tour for the day, and that includes lunch and then a ride back to Puerto Princesa here. Just having some coffee to start the day. They had some downstairs, which I was super stoked about. But yeah, we're all packed up here. We're due to be picked up by the shuttle in anywhere from 3 to 18 minutes. So we're gonna bring our stuff downstairs and we're gonna head to the underground river. And we are loaded up with some vegan banana bread. Guys, this is Victor. He's running the lighthouse, the Airbnb we're staying at right now.
Yeah.
And he wants to let you know, and I support his opinion, that you should come and stay here if you're in Puerto Princesa. That's the lighthouse. Very nice place.
Okay, thank you.
And we're off. We're at a stopover right now. Little 10-15 minute break. And we're like 2/3 of the way there to the underground river. And our tour leader, Eileen, but she said to call her I. She seems really nice. So I think it's gonna be a good day. This is awesome. We went up these side stairs and there's this whole like top area that's empty. There's a ton of people downstairs. And there's this beautiful view of the ocean behind us. You gotta know the hacks. This is a hack, Laura. Is it comfy?
It's less sturdy, I don't think.
Yeah. Onward we go.
So expect long waiting. It's gonna be like 2 to 3 hours waiting time. When we get to the national park, when we get to the national park, just be careful with your things.
Alright, so we just arrived here in Sabang. This is the city near the underground river, but we have to wait like 2 or 3 hours to go in because there are like a lot of people today. So there's a Mangrove Tour. It takes about 45 minutes. It's 350 pesos a piece, $7 US. And it sounds really cool. They're like 100 to 300-year-old mangroves. So we're gonna go on a 45-minute tour over there. Should be really cool. We're here, mangrove time. Loaded up in the back.
Okay, so my dear visitors, good morning to everyone. Good morning.
Good morning.
So I think I need to speak English because we have a guest from other country. Before I continue my explanation about the mangrove, so my name is Alfie.
Hello, Alfie.
Yes, hi. So in this tour, the main attraction here in our tour, those trees that we can see both sides of the river, left side and right side, those trees are the mangrove.
Is there a crocodile here?
Oh, sorry ma'am, no. I cannot show you crocodile. No crocodile here. We are safe.
No, that's good.
Yes. Yes, we have a water snake, but the snakes that I will show you is a mangrove snake.
And they come in boat?
No, they are nocturnal, sleeping. They're sleeping. So I know that snake is still there because that snake is sleeping during the whole day. They are active at night.
Okay.
So later, yes po, they are nocturnals. So I will show you snake later. Don't worry, not aggressive.
This is awesome. Alfie, how old are the mangroves?
The oldest one in this place, the estimated only, not the exact age, is 100 years or centuries.
Whoa.
Century-old mangrove.
There's a snake in the tree and it's sleeping.
Swim?
Yes, they swim at night. Some people say early birds catch worms. Yes, early bird watchers catch birds. Yes, so we need to wake up at early in the morning, then come in our place. So this is our turning area. So from the docking area outside until here, almost 1.2
1.2 kilometers.
The river is already narrow. Narrow river over there. Because you like it or not, I will sing a song. You have no choice. You have to listen to my song. Halina o hirang sa barangay Kabayugan, ating masilayan sa iibang bakawan. Tamilok special test, hey! Lobsters now are the best, hey! We are waiting for you all the time.
Yeah, Alfie!
Thank you for listening. So this is a mangrove song composed of our group, dedicated to all visitors in Mangrove.
I definitely recommend the Mangrove Tour if you come here and you have some time to spare. Alfie was giving us facts the entire time for like 45 minutes and he was super friendly. And finishing it with that epic song, that was really, really cool. Not for me, no. No thank you. So right in the front here, you can try a Filipino delicacy. It's called Tamilok, and it's like a large, long worm. Our guide on the way here advised us not to do it. She said if you have any stomach or digestive issues at all, it will destroy your stomach. I'm a vegan, I wouldn't eat it anyways. So this is Tamilok nest? Home? Okay. Wow. And you have Tamilok here? Okay, so that's Tamilok. If you guys want to try a delicacy, you come see my friend here by Mangrove Forest. Thank you for showing me. So we've just got to this restaurant. Looks like all the tours are eating here. So there's like a big buffet line here that people are lining up at. And apparently there's vegan food in there too. So guys, I don't think I got enough food. Wow. Okay. The food was actually really, really tasty in there. Probably not the healthiest, but everything I dished up, and there were plenty of options, I thought was really, really good. I think it's about time for the underground river. Let's do it. Welcome to the underground river. He's a rascal.
Yeah.
He's trying to steal things.
The new generations are okay, but the old monkeys are really aggressive.
So we've made it down here to the entrance to the underground river. The river here during low tide doesn't extend all the way out to the ocean. So there's like a little beach separating it right now. But get some hard hats to wear, some life jackets. And look how badass that entrance is right there. I'm really excited for this. We're officially going in. So this is actually an audio tour guide. So we got this little audio device here and the hearing button. And you're actually not supposed to talk inside. So it's 40 minutes. It's starting to rain, perfect timing. Here's our rower.
for coming to Puerto Princesa's Underground River, Palawan, the 7 Wonders of Nature. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Sir. Thank you very much.
Whew, holy smokes. That was awesome. I always love going to any sort of cave. So humid in there though. Dripping. So us having to bring our bags with since we're changing places tonight actually really worked out in our favor, because no one told us to bring headlamps, and you're not allowed to use the flashlight off your phone. So if you are coming to Southeast Asia and you are coming to do this underground river on Palawan, bring a headlamp so you can look around and appreciate the cave once you're in there. There's monkeys around me. So, would you rather pet the monitor lizard or the monkey? Uh-oh.
They're eyeing each other.
They're eyeing each other. Oh my god. He's just looking for goodies. Don't flush the monkeys, you jackass. So flippin' beautiful out here. Going for it, Laura?
I want to see the middle, so I'm ready for
Oh yeah, wait for it. You're a strategist. Back on the boat, back in the bus. And we're back in Puerto Princesa. Back on the streets of Puerto Princesa. We're going to a restaurant called Verde. It's an all-vegan restaurant. I just looked it up yesterday. I don't know why I hadn't looked at the Happy Cow app yet. Well, because this one had looked up the restaurants already. No, but apparently a new all plant-based restaurant opened here recently, and it's got pretty great reviews. The menu looks good, so we're headed over there right now. And we're gonna get some food. Yeah. Back at the Airbnb. This is our third place in Puerto Princesa. It's the first time in any city we've been to 3 places, but everywhere else we've been in at least 2 places. Anyways, we went and just grabbed some food, and now we are back. We caught a little tuk-tuk ride back here. And it's been a long day. It's been so much fun, but we are ready to hit the sheets. Anyways, guys, super fun day. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us. Tomorrow we are waking up, grabbing some breakfast here, and then we're gonna head over to the bus station, grab a shuttle up to Port Barton. I think it's about 3 to 4 hours away, and then we're gonna spend the next couple days chilling out around there, maybe doing some waterfall exploring, hanging out on the beach. It's a quieter town, but it's also like a backpacking area, so I'm pretty excited for that. Excited to share with you guys. We'll catch you tomorrow, traveling to Port Barton, and we'll see you then. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace, Pikeys. You.
Yes, lizard! We seen lizard this morning. This is my second tour. I see lizard inside, so we try to find them. So this time we are not sure if we will see them again, because those lizards are wild. So those lizards are not our pet, so those lizards are free going around. But I am sure the wildlife that I can show you inside, the sure wildlife that we will see inside is snake.